Hello, class. This is Miss Sarraga, and for our sustainability project, we conducted a survey on how many light sources are in our school. We separated them into different categories, such as the gym, lunchroom, library, computer room, main office, nurse's office, bathrooms, and classrooms. We will be using Infogram.com to create a graph to input all our data. So I want you to begin by logging into Infogram with your username and password that we created last class. So you're going to go into all projects and then it'll say your library is empty, so we will hit create a project. So then after hitting create a project, we will select blank template, and this is where we will input our graph's title. So my title will be energy light count in school. I want you to come up with your own title. Please don't copy mine. Show a little creativity. Be a little more creative than I was. And then hit create. So once you get here on the left-hand side, you will see three little upright rectangles, and then once you click it, it'll say add chart. So please click add chart, then scroll down until you see column. So then you're going to hit column, and it is the first one on there, and hit insert. And then close out add chart on the right hand side of that. Alrighty, so once you see the graph, you're going to double click on the graph, and it is going to bring you into where you will be inputting your data. So where it says books, we will be changing that to lights. And in column A, we will be typing in our categories such as gym, lunchroom, library, computer room, and main office. And remember, I am not inputting all of them since I want you guys to just get the gist of how we access Infogram. So then we will be inputting our data. Remember, this is your own data, the one that you personally collected. So this is what I collected. I collected, the gym had 52 lights. The lunchroom had 44. The library had 35. The computer room only had 23. And the main office had 21. Alrighty, so then you're going to head back over to your graph and just give it a minute to readjust. It is recalculating your graph for you. Alrighty, so there it goes. Let's exit out of this. There we go. So let's verify that our data is correct. All right. Gym 52, lunchroom 44, library 35, and computer room 23, and then main office 21. All right, once we have made sure that all our data is correct, I want you to go over to the left-hand side again. And then this time I want you to select add graphics. So remember that we are going to be presenting a presentation slideshow to talk to our school's board members in order to create a more sustainable school. And remember, we wanted to reduce the amount of energy used and switch into high efficiency bulbs. Remember, we want to make this graph as easy as the eyes can see. We want to add color. We want to bring the audience's attention to what we are trying to do. So let's add some graphics. You can type in what you are looking for. Let's see, I want to add a bulb, so I typed in bulb. So let's select bulb. Let's bring it over. Let's minimize it. And then add it on there. And then you can also add images and GIFs and tons of fun and cool stuff. So now we are going to go into the right-hand side and click share. We're going to scroll down here and not what we were looking for. Little technical difficulty here. Let's see. Alrighty. So there we go. We should be able to see send as email. So here you will be sending it to me, D_Z51 at texasstate.edu. Make sure there are no errors. Remove that space if that happens to you. Oh, and turn that S into a Z. And then in the optional message area, I would like you to add your name. And then hit send. Well, thank you for listening. And if you have any questions or concerns, please email me. Thank you.